Hey friends, welcome to today's Singapore Market Digest. I'm Wei from the Investing Iguana, and today we're looking at some interesting movements in the Singapore market. Let's dive into the highlights. The Singapore Exchange, ticker symbol SGX, has been making waves recently. In January, the total securities market turnover value climbed 1% year-on-year to $20.8 billion, even as turnover volume dropped by 31% to 19.1 billion shares. The Straits Times Index (STI) also hit a 17-year high, reflecting strong investor confidence. Shares of SGX closed at $13.79 on Tuesday, up 0.7% or 0.09 before this news. SGX has been facing challenges with declining listings, down 20% in 5 years, but its derivatives market remains robust. The exchange-traded funds (ETF) market also saw record assets under management in January, signaling growing interest in passive investments. Technically, SGX's stock shows resilience above $13.50, with potential upside if it breaks past $14. However, the broader context of regional competition from Bursa Malaysia and Indonesia's exchanges highlights the need for structural reforms to maintain its edge. Far East Hospitality Trust (FEHT), ticker symbol Q5T, announced a distribution per staple security of 0.0208 hours for the second half of 2024, down 4.1% year-on-year due to higher finance costs and changes in management fees. Despite this dip, FEHT's staple securities rose 0.8% or 0.05 to close at $6.05 on Tuesday. FEHT's net property income edged up slightly by 0.6% to $99.3 million for FY 2024, showing stability amid challenging conditions for the hospitality sector post-pandemic. With a distribution yield of around 6.7%, FEHT remains attractive for income-focused investors, but faces headwinds from rising interest rates impacting financing costs. Wing Tai Holdings, ticker W05, a property and retail player, reported a continued decline in net profit for the first half of FY 2025 due to lower contributions from property sales and higher finance costs. The company had previously sold one of its major condominium projects, which reduced revenue streams significantly. Shares of Wing Tai fell by 0.8% or 0.11 to close at 1.21 on Tuesday before this announcement. The company's net gearing remains low at 0.06 times, providing some financial flexibility despite weaker earnings performance. Technically, Wing Tai is trading near its support level of 1/20. A break below could signal further downside. Real estate services group PropNex, ticker OYY, is under scrutiny following news that its subsidiary is named as a co-defendant in a lawsuit related to alleged misconduct by one of its salespersons. Shares closed at $1.12 on Tuesday, down 0.9%. PropNex has been navigating a cooling property market in Singapore after government measures aimed at stabilizing prices and reducing speculative activity took effect in recent years. Despite these challenges, PropNex remains optimistic about long-term growth opportunities and continues to dominate public housing transactions. First REIT, ticker AW9U, a healthcare-focused REIT, reported a distribution per unit (DPU) of 0.116 for the second half of FY 2024, a decrease of 6.5% compared to the same period last year due to higher financing costs and other operational challenges. The REIT's full-year DPU totaled 0.0236 dunks for FY 2024, down 4.8% year-on-year, but still offering an attractive yield for income investors at current levels, around 0.2755 per unit, flat on Tuesday. First REIT is exploring strategic options for its portfolio in Indonesia, which could unlock value for unit holders over time. The Singapore market continues to reflect mixed signals. While blue-chip stocks like SGX show resilience and ETFs gain traction, sectors such as real estate and hospitality remain under pressure from rising interest rates and global uncertainties. Technically speaking, the STI's climb to a multi-year high signals bullish sentiment, but also raises questions about sustainability given macroeconomic headwinds, like slowing global growth and inflationary pressures. That wraps up today's digest. As always, stay informed and invest wisely. This is Wei from the Investing Iguana signing off.